Box office po, I think I answered this question already. We're not thinking about that. We're not after the box office. Who doesn't want naman in the beginning? Diba? Sino ayaw maging box office? Who doesn't want to do a part 2? Who doesn't want to do another film next year? Who doesn't want to have a reason to come back to MMFF? But definitely, I think nakaiikot na po kami. We've presented the Philippines in such a way with a very beautiful story that tackles mental health awareness, and to be given this opportunity to be part of the 50th Metro Manila Film Festival is such an honor. Bilang first time ko din po, actually second time. So yun, I think there's no pressure. We're just all having fun, and we just read this movie is not just a movie. Hindi lang to nitty-gritty stuff. This has a message. This definitely has a message, and that's what we're here for. That's what we want to tell the people. That's what we want people to know. And yun po. So all enjoy, all fun. So hopefully mapanood nyo po.